Hi, I'm Roy from Trevcon Services. We specialize in commercial and residential air duct cleaning. Find us on Facebook or Instagram for all of our specials. We clean air ducts in a residential home by first cutting access into your main ductwork. You have a supply side and a return side ductwork along with your furnace. We clean all the supply ductwork by hooking an 8-inch vacuum hose into your main trunk lines. We then go to each individual register with compressed air, using different tools to accomplish that part of the job. Once we get to your main ductwork, we're going to run air whips, air snakes, and if necessary, air brushes through the interior of the ductwork. We take before and after pictures and during pictures if necessary to make sure all the air ducts are completely clean. Once they are cleaned, we're going to start the furnace, run it through a basic cycle, check the furnace all out for you, do all that, and then we'll disinfect the ductwork when we're done. If you call or find us on Facebook or Instagram, we are running a $275 special. That includes a free dryer vent cleaning. So call 586-464-7155, or you can find us again on Facebook, Trevcon Services, LLC, or find us on Instagram as well. Thank you and have a great day.